Hello, my fabulous friends. I'm coming to you this week from Nevada. Yeah, that's where my dad lives. And I am also coming to you this week sharing five tips that I've learned about self-confidence over the age of 50. Self-confidence has been a big life lesson, self-love and self-confidence for me. So I just want to share what I've learned, and hopefully it kind of resonates with some of you all. All right, cool. Let's get at it. So the first and most fulfilling thing for me was to learn that it's never too late to reinvent yourself. One of the biggest things is that reinvention, it doesn't have an age limit. How awesome is that for all of us? Whether it's trying a brand new style, bold new color, starting a whole new career. I know that sounds a little easier said than done, but maybe doing a deep dive into like a new interest or a passion that you have, like ballroom dancing. Shout out to my friend Naska. Or for me, too, was learning a new language, like just being able to communicate in the local language wherever you are traveling to. For me, it was Spanish. We love going to Mexico, so it was just it's wonderful to be able to communicate. And I can't even tell you how great I feel and how confident I feel when I can honestly just order a meal. Okay. A meal in Spanish, or have just a pleasant conversation with some of the locals in their native language. And that's it. Just I feel like I could do so much more. You know what I mean? So that actually leads right into point number 2, which is confidence grows when you try new things. Because here's the thing, growth, it just doesn't happen in your comfort zone, in your like everyday, right? And neither does confidence. You gotta step outside of those boundaries. And every time you do step out and try something new, whether it's as simple as wearing that bold new color or trying a whole new like look or style for yourself that you've never worn, or trying that new hobby, you're proving to yourself that you're capable. You're capable of more than you ever thought. So I've learned that trying new things, it's not about like perfection. It's definitely about the process. And you might like get frustrated, you know, stumble here and there, and even want to quit. But you also discover that you have these strengths that you didn't even think you had. And for me, it was definitely launching this YouTube channel. That was definitely one of my moments, and it was absolutely terrifying at first, but with each video, my confidence has grown. I can tell I feel a little more comfortable and confident in front of my phone. And honestly, it's been worth every awkward take. Okay. Comparison is a confidence killer. Confidence killer. Okay. Let's be real. Comparison is so easy to fall into, like, especially with all of the social media. I honestly stepped back from social media like in I think in 2020, 3, 4 years ago, and I'm slowly getting back into it now that I'm feeling more confident. You start to realize the comparison, it just doesn't serve you. Confidence is knowing that your path is your path. It's uniquely yours, and no one else's journey looks like it, right? So when I see someone killing it in their own way. Instead of comparing, I get inspired, especially when I see others that are in my age group, others that are that look like me. You're like, oh my God, there's another POC that is killing it. If she's killing it, I can kill it, right? Comparison, it's a confidence killer, right? So turn it around and make it inspiring to you. All right, confidence point number 4. And this one I just recently have learned and gotten into, and that is celebrating your wins, big and small. At the end of each week or in the beginning of a new week, I look forward to celebrating and jotting down all of my wins, no matter how small they seem. Because you know what? Confidence isn't just about all them big, bold moves. It's also built into those little everyday victories. You know what I'm saying? Even if it's like, holy cow, I thrifted a Comme des Garçons fitted blazer for $50. That is a win, okay? Me posting a video for the week, that is a win. Me like just um acknowledging that's a win. Even all the little things like drinking all your water, for the day, that's a win. So celebrate all of that, because um focus instead of always like focusing on the next thing, which let me tell you, all of my 40s, I was running like, what's next? What's next? Okay, I'm done with that. I got to get on to the next thing. What did I, that wasn't good. I got to figure out how to, no more of that. It's all about high-fiving myself now, okay? Because I've earned it. Celebrate your wins, okay? Big and definitely all the small ones. Confidence point number 5. I kind of cheated on this one because I actually have known this for a very long time. But a good outfit, that's a game changer, okay? It might sound simple, but a good outfit can completely change your mood. Good outfit meaning you feel fantastic in it, right? Listen, I've been known to wear the same fit 2 or 3 times a week because I feel inspired. I feel inspiring. I feel great. I love myself. And I say that. And when I look at it, I'm like, girl, you look good. And I want to keep riding that vibe. I'm not done with that vibe. You know what I'm saying? And I even have pieces that are in my wardrobe that I have had for decades, because that those pieces make me feel fantastic, and I'm not going to give those pieces up because of that. And people, they respond. They respond to your vibe. It opens doors, it opens up like opportunities. You meet people. It's like magic. Putting good energy makes Putting out like all that good energy makes all the difference. Thank you so much for watching the chatty part of my video. I hope some of those tips resonated with some of y'all. They definitely have helped me, and I am a self-proclaimed introvert, and definitely more on the shy side. I still have things to work on because I still have not told any of my close friends and family about my channel yet, but I'm getting to it. I'm, I'm trying to build up that part of my self-confidence. All right. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the styling end. Welcome to the styling section of the video and my curated pack for Nevada. It's a super casual trip. I'm just out there visiting my dad and some family that's also out there. The weather is beautiful. It's always sunny and it's in the lower 60s. So, like a sweater, a sweatshirt, a blazer, all perfect for that type of weather. And I just stuck basically to black and whites. So, yeah, let's take a look. Let's break it down. I thought I'd start off with the asymmetrical sweater that I wore during my self-confidence chat. There, it's layered over the one shirt I brought, which is a classic white button-up. Here, it's just the straight-up sweater with some black denim. I also like wearing it with a lightweight jacket over it because of the asymmetrical neckline, but I brought it along because I thought of if I might be working at a coffee shop or catching lunch somewhere. Okay, smoking jacket, look number 1, and velvet smoking jacket by Barney's. Been in the wardrobe for a number of years now because, again, it's a classic smoking jacket and it's velvet, and I really dig the shortness of the sleeves, but I tend to like to wear it like this, more like a pajama top. So super nice and easy, and I have it with some little ballet flats by Diapo. But yeah, this is really normally how I wear it, not belted. Nice, easy, comfy, great black velvet, easy with the pockets, and a piece that I can dress it up, like tie it, give it a good tie if I'm meeting up with some relatives for dinner, or if I need to be dressed a little. I just give it a tie. One easy piece packed and ready for my visit with my dad. Okay, my sweatshirt. I always pack a sweatshirt. Doesn't matter where I'm headed to. It's just a good, easy go-to sometimes, right? This one's by American Apparel. Actually used to be my son's, but ended up being in the donate pile and I confiscated it. Here it's layered over the one shirt that I pack, which is just the classic J. Crew button-up. OMG, this big cozy scarf. It's perfect for winter travel, it's perfect for the plane, and it's perfect as outerwear for those locations that are like 50 and 60-degree weather. I picked up the last one from a shop here called Penelope's, but this shop, Ursa, has an unbelievable assortment of plaids and solids, and they're all $28. Okay, friends, that's it for this week's video. If you liked this content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps me reach more amazing people like you. All right, till next time, stay fabulous, stay you. Bye, friends.